Welcome to Get Paid with Apps. Today I'll be reviewing the Trees app, which is a brand new passive income app that puts the planet first. Share your unused internet to earn real money. So if you've used an app like Honeygain, this is exactly like it, except this app plants a tree with every payout. So I've been using the app for a few months now, and I have $9.44 ready to cash out. The cash outs are the usual. There's a whole bunch of gift cards that you can choose from, but I am looking for PayPal. Now it says here that there is a $1 fee to use PayPal, but we're gonna do it anyway. And I will receive $8.44 from the Trees app. And then once I receive that, it plants a tree in my forest. As you can see, I have one tree here, and it's reduced 0.2 kilograms of CO2. So the app will plant a mangrove tree for you. It says here, every $5 cash out plants a real mangrove tree through our verified coastal restoration partners. Mangroves absorb 4 times more CO2, protect coastlines from erosion, and create habitat for marine life. So I like this app. It does what any other bandwidth sharing app does. You share your internet and it pays you a little bit of money. The twist here is the cash out plants a tree. It's just trying to do something a little bit different than all of the other bandwidth sharing apps out there. And it caught my attention. And as far as it paying, it seemed to pay pretty well. I had it open for about 90 days and I ended up getting $9.44. So I'm making about 10 cents a day roughly with the app. There's a calculator on their website that'll kind of give you an idea of what you might earn. Now, it always varies per location, where you live and how fast your internet connection is, but this can just kind of give you a general idea of what you might be able to make if you change how many devices you have and how much data that you are going to share every day. I did find that it ran a little bit better on my PC than it did on an app. If my phone would time out, then the app disconnected sometimes. So you might want to have it on a secondary phone that never leaves the house and is always on, or like I did, I just had it running on a PC for 90 days and it ran great the whole time. It never disconnected or had any problems. So just keep that in mind. There is a referral program with the Trees app, and if you use my code, you will receive $2 for free just for signing up with my code. And that's a pretty good deal. With a $5 minimum cash out, you'll be there in no time. And speaking of Honeygain, which I talked about right at the beginning of the video, that's kind of the internet sharing, bandwidth sharing app that's been around from the beginning, and it's recognized as the best, or at least one of the best. I'll leave my code for Honeygain in the description if you haven't used it already. You can run Honeygain and Trees at the exact same time and double your money. You don't have to rely on just one of them, just use 2 at the same time. And my Honeygain code will get you $3 for free just for signing up. So you can do both today. Start out with $5, plant some trees, make some money for yourself. That's going to do it for Trees. If you're interested in more apps, just go to getpaidwithapps.com. If you're interested in more passive income apps, check out this video right here, 15 passive income apps that pay real money. We'll see you in the next video.